Hello guys and welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can be able to use Grok AI completely free of charge. I know a lot of you like using Grok instead of all these other AI agents, but on this video I'm specially dedicating it to the lovers of Grok AI. So without wasting time guys, I'm going to be going straight to the point. I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to use Grok unlimited, and also I'm going to be making a live video using this tutorial. So do well to watch the video to the end. Do not skip any part of it. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time and you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, and of course do well to like this video and share it. It keeps me motivated to make even more research and give you guys more educational content like this one. Remember, this video is for educational purpose only. Do not use it illegally. So right now, without wasting time, let me now take you to my phone right now and show you where you need to tap and where you need to tap in order for you to get Grok AI completely free of charge. Okay, so without wasting time, go over here to my to this website. Use any browser of your choice. All right, you can use any browser of your choice. It's totally your choice. Okay, so over here I will use my Google right here on my Google. I'll just go ahead right now and open my Google account. Now I need you to head over to this website. Just go ahead and type in wavespeed wavespeed.ai. Just go ahead and search for it. All right, so once you type in wavespeed.ai, you are going to be taken to this particular website that I'm about to open right here. So once you come over here to this website, this is it right here, and over here on this website gives you access to a lot of AI tools completely free of charge. Okay, I will go ahead and install it right here on my phone, and immediately you open this website, you are going to be asked to log in. You can use maybe your email, your Google account, any means comfortable with you. Use it to log in. Immediately after logging in, you click over here on this straight line right here. Then you can see you have explore pricing, enterprise resources, blah blah blah. We don't need to talk about that. So over here, what I need to take care of right here is, of course, just click on this button right here called where it says bronze. Okay, once you click on it, you can see you have free $1 right here. Now, what is the $1 doing right there? The $1 is used to generate video. Like I said, it is unlimited at the beginning of the video. So after this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to make it unlimited. Okay, so without wasting time guys, let's now go ahead. So from here right now, what you need to do is very simple. So what I need you to do right now is to locate here that we have AI generator right here at the top right corner. Click on AI generator. So over here on AI generator, you have access to create image, video, avatar, whatever, even audio you can create right here. Now let me show you the trick right here. Go ahead and select video. Okay, so I've selected to video right now, but looking over here, by default it's on Cadence 2.5. okay, so what I need you to do first is to simply scroll down, keep on scrolling down until you get to this page right here. Now click over here. You can choose the ratio you want, but because I want it to be on ratio 16.9, which is landscape, right? So I will leave the resolution to, I will click on resolution right here. I will select 480. Now if you select 480, you will notice the change right here. Okay, so over here right now, let's continue. Go back right now to the top. Now go ahead right now, click on this drop down over here. You can see this drop down. Click on it. Now once you click on it, you will see Cadence 2.5, Cadence 2.0, blah blah blah. Everything is right here. What I needed to choose is to scroll down to the bottom. You are going to be seeing Grok imaging 1.5. You are going to also be seeing Grok imaging only. So select this down one, Grok imaging. I will select on it. Now selecting on this right now, we are now good to go. Okay, remember what I said, you can create unlimited video, right? Watch to the end. I will show you how you can be able to get it done. Now we are currently on image Grok imaging. Now we need to put our prompt right here. We also need to input our image. So I will click over here on this button right here. I will select the image that I want and click on done. I've selected the image. Right now I need a prompt that we put right here. Okay, you know how to generate a prompt. If you don't know how to generate a prompt, check on my channel. I've already explained how to generate prompt professionally. Okay, so what I need to do right now is to simply head over here to my ChatGPT where I have my prompt. This is my prompt right here. I will simply copy it. Okay, once I've copied this prompt like this, is it copying? I guess I've copied it. Okay, let me just do it the traditional way. Okay, once I've copied the prompt, just head back right here and paste it on this space. Okay, now once you paste the prompt right there, then you need to head right here and click on generate, you can see it's only going to be taking 0.3, right? So remember, like I said, it's unlimited. So with this method you can generate up to 3 images completely free right here. Now I'm going to be telling you guys the trick to keep on generating more videos from here. So I will click right now on generate. Okay, you can see currently our video is being generated right now. Currently our video is currently being generated. So now listen closely, let me tell you how you can be able to create unlimited video instead of just 3 videos. You know, immediately you create an account, you are going to be given $1 as the credit that you are going to use to generate video. Right now, to be able to generate more videos instead of just using $1 and leaving, comment right there on the comment section, because I can only send you the detail. If I explain the detail on how you can be able to get it right here on this video, YouTube is not going to be happy about it and they will likely take actions on my channel, which I clearly do not want. So remember, this video is for educational purpose only, but if you're interested on generating even much more videos from this method completely free of charge, do let me know right there on the comment section and I'll be there to actually put you through using a complete guide that I'm going to be providing, so that whenever you comment I will share it to you directly. Okay, so without wasting time, currently we are on 50% right now. I'm going to be skipping the video, so I'm going to be skipping the video right now, and I will open it when the video has completely generated and I will show you guys the example. Now you can see I have completely generated a video, and to be able to download it, simply click on this 3 dots right here and you can see download right here, and you download it on your device. You can continue to generate as many videos as possible. All right, so I believe you have gotten a value out of this particular video. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section and let me know if this method actually suits you or it satisfies your wants. All right, so thank you for watching the video, guys. I'll be stopping right here and I'll be speaking to you guys on the next video that I'm going to be showing very soon.
Nature is so beautiful. I can't believe this is real.